Good morning, students. Welcome back to our computer class. Today, we will continue our fifth lesson, Features in MS Word 2010. At first, we discuss about headers and footers in MS Word document. Header and footer are areas the top and bottom margins of each page in a document. We can insert text or graphic in header and footer. This option available on the header and footer group in the Insert tab. Let's learn the steps to insert a header in a Word document. For that, open MS Word document and type a paragraph that we want to add header. Then click on the Insert tab and click Header option in the Header and Footer group. We can see a drop-down list. Select a header style from it and type the information that we want as the header. This will be applied to all the pages in the Word document. Now, let's learn the steps to insert a footer in Word document. For that, again click on Insert tab and click a footer option in the header and footer group. We can see a drop-down list. Select a footer style from it and type the information that we want as the footer. This will be applied to all the pages in the Word document. To finish editing, click on the Close Header and Footer button on the Close group in the Design tab or press Escape key on the keyboard. Our next topic is page numbers in Word document. Page number option helps to insert page numbers in a document. When we insert a page number in one page, it will be automatically inserted in all pages. Page number option available on the header and footer group in the Insert tab. To insert page numbers in a document, follow the given steps. Open a Word document and type paragraphs in different pages. Click on Insert tab, then select Page Number command. We can see different types of page number options. Here, we select top of page option from the list. Then select a page number option. It will be added in the document. Now, we can add the page number. If we drop down the document, we can see the page number 2, page number 3, page number 4, etc. Next one is spelling and grammar option in Word document. Spelling and grammar option helps to check the spelling and grammar of a text. MS Word automatically check spelling and grammar as we type. It displays a red underline to indicate spelling errors and green or blue underline to indicate grammatical errors. Spelling and grammar option available on the proofing group in Review tab. To correct the spelling errors, follow the given steps. Open MS Word document and type a paragraph with spelling errors. Then click on Spelling and Grammar option from the Review tab. We can see a dialog box at the right side of the window indicating the wrong spelling highlighted and with a list of correct spelling suggestions. Choose the correct word from the list and click on Change button. We can see the next word indicating the wrong spelling highlighted automatically. Then again select the correct word and click on Change button. Now we can see that the document without any spelling errors. Then in our document there is a blue or green underlined words that indicates the grammatical mistakes. To correct the grammatical mistakes, right-click the word that we want to check. Then select the correct word from the list. Now we can see that the document without any grammatical errors. Our last topic is indent option. This option helps us to arrange the spacing of paragraphs from the margin. To increase the indent, open MS Word document and type 2 or more paragraphs. Select the paragraphs that we want to increase the indent. Then click on Increase Indent button in the paragraph group. Now we can see that the selected text will be changed into left indent. Now to decrease the indent, again select the paragraphs that we want to decrease indent. Then click on Decrease Indent button in the paragraph group. Now we can see that the selected text will be changed into right indent. Okay children, let's wind up. Thank you.